Hey guys, in this video we're going to be putting this Finish POWERBALL Quantum Dishwashing Detergent Pod to the test, along with this Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. This was suggested to me by my father. He said when he uses this combination, his dishes come out better than he's ever seen. So I'm going to load this up pretty heavy and put her to the test. Okay, so I'm loading this up with some really dirty dishes. I usually rinse them off, but because I want to really put this stuff to the test, now this one's almost not even fair, but we'll see how it goes. Finish Quantum POWERBALL.
I put a link in the description so you can buy some for yourself. I'm selecting the heavy cycle for this job.
Okay. Little white light came on, it says clean, sanitized. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay, the first thing I want to say is everything at a glance looks clean. But the big item, this thing, was full of macaroni and cheese and stuff. Hot. Oh boy, look at that. Clean as a whistle. I'm gonna get something that was glass. Look at that. Okay, it's a little hot, but so clean. Squeaky clean. This stuff works. I love it when I find something that works. So I'm gonna put a link to the description so you can buy some of this yourself. Remember, you also gotta use the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid for no spots on these dishes. What else was there? Look at this. So clean. Hey, Picky. My dog's here, but he won't come over. He doesn't like doing dishes.
He only likes to lick them.
But I got his stamp of approval.
I got my dog's stamp of approval. Another job done. No fuss. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell.